today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Clover app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Clover app, or just click on search, add here Clover app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Clover-Period. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.